guys, my name is Marcel Flores, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a little Airbnb just outside of Denver, Colorado, where we set up shop for a little bit, and it was the perfect location to talk to you guys about how to dress appropriately when it gets really cold outside. You guys might remember my Getting Dressed series where I basically get dressed in front of the camera, then I look at the footage here together with you guys, analyze it and talk you through the thought process, so let's not waste any time. Let's take a look at this outfit. Now if it's really cold outside like it is here, you want to make sure that you heat tech up. That means extra warm top, extra warm long johns, as well as socks. You do not want to mess up your base layer. Then we've got a pair of tan chinos that are a little bit more on the thick side and a little bit more on the slim side because skinny pants, whether it's jeans or chinos, aren't actually perfect for when it gets really cold outside. Then you see me putting on what I have on right now. This is a cream colored Scotch and Soda turtleneck. It's fairly thin, but why I'm wearing it is for the turtleneck to protect my neck from wind, cold, especially if you have a longer neck, essential step. Then we do want to add a little bit of thickness though. We do want to add some warmth to it. So here we have a cream colored cable knit sweater from H&M. And you see I'm already playing with 3 different earth tones, 2 cream colors and 1 tan color. That's the base of the outfit. Now we introduce a little pop of color and a proper winter boot. These are from Santoni, incredibly comfortable, incredibly durable, incredibly warm. And they have a really nice orange color that's mixed with some brown accents that I think looks great. Then we've got the main piece of any cold weather outfit, and that's the outerwear. In this case I'm wearing a light blue Woolrich jacket. That is a down jacket. That thing doesn't let any air in. It keeps me warm regardless of what the temperatures are. I bet I could wear this in the Arctic and be fine. But lastly, we need our cold weather accessories. That means gloves, scarves, beanie. The gloves are a nice cognac leather, which nicely works with the Santoni shoes that we just put on. Then we have a lighter brown scarf and a cream colored, if I'm not falling over, a cream colored beanie. So a really nice earth color palette balanced with that blue, and that's it. So base layer is super important. Don't wear pants that are too tight, and make sure you layer up and then insulate. That's really what it's all about when you're trying to dress appropriately for the winter. We have more videos coming out in this regard. So we have a winter lookbook coming. We've got winter outfits coming. So if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to change that. And you're gonna see a lot more of what I'm about to show you. Here's a cinematic short showcasing this outfit out and about doing this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you very much for watching. Leave comments, thoughts, questions down below in the comment section. As always, I will read through all of them and respond to as many as I can. Thank you guys for watching one more time. I'll see you very soon with the next video. Until then, as always, stay dapper and stay warm. Bye guys.